Hi, wonderful people. Welcome to Grace's Kitchen, and today we are here with another delicious recipe. If you are struggling to eat enough vegetables, then this recipe is for you. Today I'm showing you how to turn everyday vegetables like cabbage, bell pepper, lettuce, green peppers, and almost all the vegetables you know into the most comforting, flavorful vegetable stew you've ever tasted. So let's get right in. So these are the ingredients you will need for your vegetable stew. So lettuce, spring onion, cabbage, cucumber, onions, a whole lot of ingredients, broccoli, spinach, and almost all the vegetables you know. So I'm using gizzard for this particular stew. You can use any protein of your choice. So now let's season our gizzards. I love natural spices, so I mostly go in for natural spices. Whatever I'm doing, I include them because it's healthy and then it's safe. So after adding your natural spices or any spices of your choice, go ahead and then stir continuously for 1 minute in order for the spices to penetrate very deep into the gizzard. So after that, you go ahead and add water, a little bit of water to boil. You boil for at least 5 minutes and then your gizzard is done. So now in a pan, add an oil. You can cook it with any oil of your choice, being it vegetable oil, coconut oil, or sunflower oil. Whatever one you use is okay. Add some onions and bay leaves. If you have rosemary, just fry the oil for 1 to 2 minutes. This brings out the flavor. Fry for 10 minutes till golden brown. This will make your stew tasty. So continue stirring to avoid it from burning. Now it's ready. You just take it out and do not change the oil. Just maintain the oil, and if you want to add more, you can add. Because using the same oil makes the stew flavorful. I don't like too much oil, so I'm going to just maintain the one in the pan and add my onions. So you fry it for some time and then add your pepper mix. So it's a combination of pepper, garlic, ginger, onion, green peppers or bell peppers, habanero pepper, spring onions, and natural spices all blended together. I love natural spices. Trust me, it will make your stew taste very delicious and give it this beautiful aroma. So I started with a tomato paste just for the thickness. You know, most of the times the fresh tomatoes are watery, so you add the tomato paste to thicken your stew. Always stir continuously after adding your tomato paste or tomato puree in order to avoid burns. You're gonna stir continuously and fry for 5 to 10 minutes. You know, you have to cook it properly. Cook the tomato paste properly before adding the fresh tomatoes. So that's what we are doing now. Continue stirring till it's well cooked. And let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Add your spices. So I love curry powder a lot. So I added my curry powder, seasoning cubes, whether natural or artificial, just add it to the peppermint. I use natural spices a lot. So go in with your curry powders, your rosemaries, whichever spice of your choice. you can add it to the stew at this moment. And right after adding it, you stir it continuously. Add your gizzard stock. Whenever you make gizzards, do not throw the stock away. It can be used in your stew. So over here, I was cooking the cabbage. Most of the time, it has a lot of dirt hidden inside, so I just cook it for 5 to 7 minutes before I add it back to the stew. So now the stew is almost cooked. So you're gonna add your vegetables. You can use any vegetable at all of your choice. You can use spinach, you can use broccoli, any vegetable at all. I choose spinach, green pepper, carrots, spring onions, cabbage, and many more. So after stirring them together, you leave it on to cook for 5 minutes because you don't have to cook vegetables for so long. And the final thing to do is to add your cooked cabbage. After adding the cabbage, you stir continuously for at least 1 minute because it's already cooked in order to maintain the nutrients in the vegetables. And boom, just like that, your vegetable stew is ready. You can pair this with any food of your choice, whether it be ampisia, yam, plantain, eba, rice, whatever food you want to try it with, you can do so. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious homemade